Hi everyone! Our article this week is Growing Food at Home. Many people grow food at home. They grow food in gardens. People start growing food in spring. People put seeds into dirt. The seeds become plants. Food grows on the plants. The food may be green beans, carrots, watermelons, or strawberries. Strawberries. People wait for the food to be ready. People pick the food, then they eat the food. So let's go over our article again. And we'll just talk about it. Growing food at home. So many people are now growing food at home and they grow it in their garden. So like at Viz Valley, we had a garden that we would tend to every week with Mr. Hopkins. People had gardens not as big as the one at our school, but they might have one in their backyard where they can grow food. And they grow food in the springtime, which is right now, by putting seeds into dirt. So I want you guys to remember, we did this in our classroom. We put the seeds in the wet paper towels by the windows in the bags, and then those seeds became plants. Remember, we had a bunch of them by the window. Then food grows on the plants. And so the food can be, you can grow green beans, carrots, watermelon, strawberries, and in our classroom, we were growing green beans. Unfortunately, once the school closed, I did not bring the plants home, and so we weren't able to keep them growing. But if we did, we could have had green beans growing in our classroom, and then we would have moved them into the garden. You have to wait for the food to be ready. It takes a while for them to grow, but once it's ready, you can pick the food and then people can eat them.